Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use WC command in Linux. WC command or word count prints a count of new lines, words and bytes for each input file. So generally you can use WC command with a file and it's going to give you the number of lines in the file, or number of words in the file, or number of characters in the file. So let's see how we can use it. So you can see on my desktop I have this test.txt file. So I will just change the directory to the desktop, and then I'm going to give the WC command here and then the name of the file, which is test.txt, and I will press enter, and you can see it gives this kind of output. Now the first output here is 1, and this is the number of line in this file. So I'm going to open this file and you can see there is only one line in this text file, and this is due to this. So this is the number of line. Second here is 6, so 6 is the number of words here. So I can count these words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second is the number of words, and then the third is the number of characters here. So total number of character in this file is 42. That's why it's printing this. And fourth is the name of your file. Okay. So this is the simplest use of this file you can use. Now you can also use, for example, let me increase the number of lines here. So I'm going to paste, for example, 5 lines here, right? And I'm going to give the same command, and you can see it gives right now 5 lines, and then it gives the 30 word, because 6 into 5 is 30. And then it gives the 210 characters, right? So this is basically how you can use it. Now you can use certain flags in your WC command, which will give you specifically what you want. So for example, you want to print only the number of bytes, then you can just write a flag called WC -C, and this is going to print only the number of bytes, or essentially the number of characters, right? And just print, and it just print the number of characters, which is 210 here, right? Similarly, if you want to count the number of lines, you can just say -L and then press enter, and it gives you number of lines here, right? Or you can use the W character or W flag here, and it's going to give you the number of words. Okay, and you can also use a flag called capital L, and this capital L prints the length of the longest line. For example, I'm going to just give some more words here. For example, words. So this is essentially going to give you the length of this line, because this is the longest line here, right? So we can just press enter, and you can see it gives the number of characters in the longest line, which is this one in our case. Okay, so these are the flag you can use with WC command. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.